What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Diego's Garage. If you guys may not know already, I bought this 1999 Camaro Z28 for $2,800. Today is maintenance day. I have no idea what the maintenance history on this car is, so it's always a good idea when buying a used car to change all the fluids, filters, spark plugs, if need to. I'm gonna change all mine, just to keep up a good top shape. And I bought new Corvette 01 wheels to put on the 1999 Camaro Z28. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it.
You're goddamn right.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install the driver's side wheels. I already got the other side installed. I got excited and your boy couldn't wait. It's always a good idea to do an earthquake test on your car to make sure it's stable. It's a rough way to go out if it's not. Wheels are on. Now time for an oil change. It's always a good idea to take off the oil cap just to release some pressure. Alright, let's drain the oil. I used a 15mm socket to unbolt the drain plug. You guys can see the oil was pretty filthy. It was time. Alright, time to remove the oil filter. Here I use some oil filter pliers to remove it. It's gonna be messy, so I have a rag on standby. This is the oil I'll be using, Mobil 1 5W30. Car takes 5.5 quarts. Brand new AC Delco filter. I'm also gonna change out the oil plug. The original one's all dirty and crusty and the O-ring's already teared up. So I bought a new one with the magnet on it. Big difference. Alright, let's get our new filter, fill it up with oil, and lube up the gasket. Alright, let's put our new filter and drain bolt on. Don't over tighten it, just tighten it just enough. Alright, let's go ahead and put our new oil in and screw on our oil cap. Alright, oil change is done. Good to go. Now just change the filter. I got this K&N drop-in filter. Ready to go. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get our old filter out and throw it away. Alright, let's go ahead and put in our brand new drop-in filter from K&N. Hey guys, I totally forgot. So the K&M drop-in filter came with this adhesive gasket on there, so I had to take off the top intake box off. Basically you got to clean here around the perimeter and just stick the adhesive gasket on before applying the drop-in filter. My bad.
Yeah, that's what happens when you don't read the instructions, duh.
Alright, spark plug time. We're going to be changing the spark plugs for AC Delco, Iridium spark plugs. They're OEs. We got 8 of them. They're already pre-gapped. Also, we're going to change out the wires. So I got the MSD wire set. And I got some insulators. So I'm going to be using a wrench. It moves back and forth. Combination with the swivel. And your spark plug socket, of course. I'm gonna start with the driver's side simply because it's more easier to get to. The one on the passenger side, the one all the way in the back, it's a little challenging to get to. I'm gonna figure it out up here. If not, I'm gonna go underneath the car to get it.
Alright, remove all passenger side spark plugs 4 through 8.
So I found it more easier to just take off the last spark plug on the passenger side to the bottom. So let's try it out. Got it. Alright, got all the spark plugs out, all 8 of them, and wires as well. Number 8 was a pain in the you could tell because wire number 8 was pretty hard to get to. Pretty much pulling the wire and broke off. Had to go underneath the car and take this one out that was left over. Cylinder number 8 as well, and the spark plug I had to go underneath the car and just put a wrench in it and put my hand in there and work with the little space I have, but managed to work out. Now time to put the new stuff in. Spark plugs, new ones, and MSD wires with the insulators. But let's get to it.
After you install your spark plugs, next install your wires and insulators. Alright, once said and done, just lower your car.
Alright guys, got the wires on, spark plugs on, and the insulators on. There's the driver's side. And here's the passenger side. It looks really good with them headers, especially with those valve covers we painted the last video. Check it out. Also put the stickers on for more horsepower. Alright, let's turn on the motor to see if there's any misfires. Alright guys, we are done. Got a lot accomplished today. We got oil and filter, spark plug wires, insulators, drop-in air filter, and some fresh Corvette wheels. Engine is squeaking, one of the pulleys that is. Pretty sure it's power steering. It does feel like a go-kart. Next video we'll take care of that. As always, thank you guys for watching my videos. Diego's Garage. Please like and subscribe, help a brother out. As always, peace.